Yo everybody, last video for today, or for another 2 weeks until I find more shit to break. So we're gonna break this Motorola flip, sorry, whatever. Let's bust it up. No hit. Hit. Let's do another hit now, shall we? No hit. Minus the pack. Fuck. I think it still works. What do you think? Yeah. Put in something else. Yeah, let's use the hammer now. Where'd it go? Fuck. Sorry for my language. Yeah. So this is the last video for now. Let's see the disaster. Battery. Screen, I think, no. And the cover. That's all we have time for, so peace.